guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join my little YouTube family. So here we are, first video of 2019, and I'm so happy to be back. It's been such a long time that I haven't posted a video, but I'm gonna get into that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I kind of have a lot to say, but not really. So I do want to backtrack on this past year. The year has been bittersweet for me. I have had a lot of life changes, and they have been for the best. As I mentioned in the past, I think 2 videos, I did move, and with the move came a lot of disorganization for me. I lost a lot of my rhythm that I had going on before when I was posting constantly. So now I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, and hopefully this is the beginning of my YouTube journey for 2019. I have been on YouTube for 2 years. Did start about November 26th or something. I don't quite remember, but I do remember it was the day after Thanksgiving, which I don't know what day that was, but yeah, it was the day after Thanksgiving. I was super excited to start my channel. I was more excited to be able to play with makeup, review makeup. I did start my channel thinking that I was gonna go ahead and review the newest things and what was popping at the moment. But as you guys can tell, if you guys are makeup lovers like me, makeup is expensive, and I was not about to drop $200-300 on the newest collection. So with that, I kind of directed into a different way where I didn't want to, which was just reviewing subscription boxes or whatever it is that I was doing. And to be honest, I think that's why I stopped filming, is because I lost the inspiration and the drive that I had when I started my YouTube channel, because I thought it was gonna be so fun and I was just gonna start recording whatever I wanted and blah blah blah. But it wasn't like that. It actually got difficult for me. And yeah, so with that being said, with this new year, I do want to go and branch off into different things to film. Don't get me wrong, makeup is still my passion, but I do have so many other things that I love to do and I'm very passionate about. And just quickly, I want to touch on something that I do want to start filming on, and that is my weight loss. In the past year and a half, I was diagnosed with hypothyroidism, or hypothyroidism, whatever. I'm gonna put the name down below in a quick description of what it is. But I was diagnosed with that, and with that came a lot of weight. I think I gained about 60 to 65 pounds in like 2 months, I think. And that caught me off guard. It really just depressed me in a way, because I'm so used to, you know, being active and fit. If you guys know me personally, you know that I've been really active my whole life, and this really threw me off. And at first I wasn't really sure what had caused it, because I wasn't eating more, I wasn't like not exercising, and it just came out of nowhere. I've been on hormonal pills for the past, I don't know, year and a half, and yes, those helped. For me, I needed a little bit more, because my body, I do gain and lose weight pretty quick. So I needed to push myself more. And one of the downfalls of having thyroid problems is that you do struggle with weight loss if you are hypothyroid, if you do have hypothyroid. And that was it for me. I was really struggling. So I want to share with you guys what I did to get back into shape. I want to show you guys before and after pictures. So I do want to make like a little fitness day on my channel. I do feel like I hit a plateau, and I want to document that with you guys and show you the struggles of what it is to struggle with weight loss, if that makes any sense. So that, I do want that to be a huge part of my channel. Another thing that I do want to do is vlog more, and the reason for that is because I feel like when I sit in front of the camera and I'm sharing with you guys makeup products or whatever it is that I'm doing, I don't feel like you guys get to see my full personality. And I do feel like I have a big personality, and I'm very sarcastic, and I'm pretty funny if you ask me. So I want to be able to share that with you guys. I do interact a lot with my family. I don't live with them, but I do visit them very often, and I want to share with you guys how it is to be in a Latino household. I do want to put a disclaimer that I will be speaking Spanish, or Spanglish if you might say, and I want you guys to see that side of me. I have been a little bit private in the past year, but I do want to show you a little bit more of my personality and what I do on my everyday basis. For instance, I feel like I have a very busy schedule, I think, because I do go to work full-time. I come home, I work out, I cook, I'm a full-time girlfriend. So I try to balance all of that, and I don't want to just dedicate videos to cooking, and like sometimes I have like little life hacks that I have, like to clean the house or to cook or whatever, and I don't want to make a dedicated video for one hack. So I feel like if I interact with you guys over vlogs, I can just show you my everyday life and what I do at work, how I manage to cook and clean and work out and everything. I just want to go ahead and let you guys in a little bit more of my life. I still am going to keep some things private, but I am going to be a little bit more open on that, in that end. Okay, so besides that, I do want to do like more fashion videos. I have, with my weight loss, I have been dabbing a little bit more into fashion. Before, I was very into athleisure, and I think now I'm still in that category of style, but I am kind of trying to explore out of it a little bit, just because I am feeling a little bit more confident and comfortable with different styles, just because I have lost the weight that was keeping me from being a little bit more hoochie mama, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I want to do cooking videos. I am gonna probably dabble a little bit into Spanish videos. I'm not 100% sure because I'm not really fully comfortable with my Spanish, even though, fun fact, at work I was hired because I speak Spanish and I am a Spanish speaker at work. I do both, but mostly I take care of Spanish speaking customers. So I do need to practice my Spanish, and like I mentioned, my family is Hispanic, so my vlogs will be partly in Spanish. So I do want to do some Spanish videos. I don't know if they're gonna stick because I don't know if I'm gonna feel comfortable doing them, but I do want to just, you know, try it and see if it works out for me or not, just if I feel comfortable enough to do them. Oh yeah, the one I'm mostly excited about is I do want to do mukbangs. Mukbangs or mukbangs, whatever you call it. I do want to do those. They seem really fun, and I do have a lot of things to say, and sometimes when I'm like talking about makeup, reviews, fitness, cooking, I'm not gonna be able to tell you guys what's on my mind. So I feel like mukbangs is pretty entertaining. I like them. I know they're a little bit weird, but I like to see people eat. I like to see what they're eating, and I want to try it out myself. Maybe I'll do it with like my sister, or we'll see. Like I'll include like the people in my life, and I think it's an entertaining way to just interact with you guys. So I'm gonna try it and see how I feel about it. Maybe I'll cook and then eat what I cooked, and I can do like Q&As while I eat, or get to know me. Just put a little spin on some tags that are already existing. I do want to do a lot of tag and challenge videos. And whatever you guys are interested in watching, just let me know, and I'm willing to try it, just because I just want to expand my channel. I don't want to be just beauty, because that's not what I'm about. Honestly, I only wear makeup every day because I work in the makeup industry and I do have to look presentable. And yeah, that's why I wear makeup. But as soon as I come home, I wash it off, because I don't want to be wearing makeup all day every day, you know? On the weekends, I do try to give my skin a break, but yeah, now that I'm gonna be vlogging, I don't know, we'll see how that goes. I am excited about vlogging because it's gonna push me to do more, I think, like be a little bit more spontaneous and adventurous, so I can give you guys cool things. I might be like a tourist in my own city and show you guys what's around the LA area, just so you know, you see. What else? I think that's pretty much it for now. I hope you guys join me in this little journey that I'm gonna be discovering. I am super excited to be filming different things, just because life is about just so much, and I'm not just about one category, you know. I want you guys to be able to see different side of me. I do have a lot of different sides of me, and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys are in for the ride, and I want to thank you guys for supporting me this last year. I know I wasn't very active, and I did notice that my subscribers did stay the same even though I didn't post for a while, and I really want to thank you guys for being so loyal. And I have had some people check in on me. Little side note, I am going through a divorce, and I did make that public, and a lot of you guys reached out to me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna start crying. Nah, I'm just kidding. But thank you guys so much for being so supportive and understanding. So with that being said, I'm super excited to make this fun and not stressful anymore of what I'm gonna be posting. So I hope you guys stay here to support and watch me grow, hopefully help me grow. Oh yeah, if you guys are interested in like cooking stuff, I do post a lot of that on my Instagram. Lately, I don't know what has gotten into me, but I think I'm a chef and I've been like cooking every day and posting it on my Instagram and Snapchat just to share with you guys what I cook and what I eat every day. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and follow me on both. And I think that's pretty much it. If I think about anything else, add it at the end of this video, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Do I have anything else to say? I'm so lame. I wrote everything down on my phone just because I didn't want to miss anything. So if I do miss something, que mensa soy, because yeah.